Hello everybody and welcome to the video. So today we will be talking about how to download Clash of Clans Ringtones on iPhone and any other iOS device. The only requirement for this is you need to have jailbreak on an iFile. The thing you like to do is go to the website that's going to be linked down below. It's in the forms page. You can use or just download iOS ringtones. After you do that, simply open an iFile, and you need to have iFile. If you don't, download it from Cydia. I'm going to open an iFile and click where it says it's going to show this up and click on Achieve. To do that, it's done. And then this thing is going to show up right here. Oh, where is it? Okay. Clash of Clans 1 Ringtones. After you open that, after you open it, it's going to show all the ringtones right here. And you'll like to click. There's this one. There's that one. And that's basically how you do it. Comment, subscribe if you like this video. And I will see you later. Peace.